How to get a QR code for your Instagram post. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's video I will simply show you how you can go ahead and then add a QR code for your Instagram post, and then so that when people scan it they'll be redirected to your profile or your post. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, in order to go ahead and then make sure to scan your QR codes, first there are basic criteria. One is that you need to have a professional or a public account. It doesn't work with personal and private accounts, so you have to keep that in mind. And after you do that, you have to make sure that you have some of the posts on your Instagram feed. And once you make sure of all these changes, you have to simply go ahead and then launch the Instagram app. Once you launch the Instagram app, tap on the profile icon from the bottom right hand side of the screen in order to come to our profile page, and just select a post on which you want to actually enable the QR code option. So this right over here, let's say I want to get QR code for this post. I'll just tap on the three dots right next to that post over here, and at the very top you can see share and link. That is one of the best ways to share it. But personally, if you want to go ahead and then find the QR code from the right hand side, you can find the QR code option. Just tap on it and you can actually go ahead and then save this QR code. You can change the colors as well, as you could see over here. If you want to save it, just tap on the save button right over here, and you can send this to your friends and so on, so that when they scan this specific QR code, they'll be able to go ahead and simply actually be redirected to your specific post on which you actually took out this QR code from. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then actually enable your QR code on your Instagram post. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.